Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with AWS Cognito for secure user analytics, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the authentication process with AWS Cognito, first, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Cognito Service section. Click on Manage User Pools to create a new user pool. Select Create a User Pool and enter a name for your new pool. Customize the sign-up experience by configuring attributes like email and phone number. Set up app clients by navigating to the App Clients section. Click Add an app client and provide a name for your app client. Make sure to uncheck Generate Client Secret if you're building a public client. Next, configure the authentication flow by setting password policies and sign-up options. Enable multi-factor authentication, if desired, for increased security. Save your changes and navigate to the Domain Name section to create a domain for authentication. Enter a unique domain name and click Save Changes to establish it. Once your user pool is set up, proceed to integrate it into your application. Use AWS Amplify or the AWS SDK to add Cognito to your project. Install the required dependencies via npm or your package manager of choice. Initialize the AWS Amplify library in your application code. Configure the Amplify library with your user pool details. Set up authentication methods through the UI, such as sign up, sign in, and password recovery. Implement user session management to handle user state across the application. Capture and store user analytics in your application once users are authenticated. Use AWS Pinpoint for deeper analytics tracking and insights on user behavior. Make sure to analyze the collected data to inform future development and marketing strategies. Test the complete authentication flow to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Once verified, you can move on to deploying your application securely with user analytics integrated. Monitor your AWS console for any metrics or logs related to user authentication and analytics. With everything set up, you can now appreciate the security and insights AWS Cognito provides for user analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.